Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the second question of the time, speed, distance chapter. So question says, Sam walks 40 minutes to reach his school. He covers the first 1/3 of the journey at a speed of 5 km per hour and the remaining distance at 6 km per hour. Find the distance Sam walks to reach his school. So suppose Sam takes, so this is the school, and walks to reach his school. So Sam starts from here and let's say this is the school. Okay. Now if you look at it, let us assume that this distance is 3x. Okay. So the first 1/3 of the journey means till this point, this x distance, x is covered at what speed? At 5 km per hour. I'm writing 5 kmph. The remaining distance, which is the remaining 2/3, that means the remaining 2x is covered at the speed of 6 km per hour. The total time taken is given to be, total time taken is given to be 40 minutes. Okay, and in terms of hours, it will be 40 upon 60 hours. Okay, so this 0 goes away, 2/3 it becomes. So 2/3 hour. So total time taken is 2/3 hour. Now in the first half of the journey, let's say time taken is T1. In the second half of the journey, let's say time taken is T2, and T1 and T2 are in hours. Okay, so we know that the total time taken should be equal to T1 plus T2. Okay, because that is the total time. So from here you reach till this point in time T1 in the first 1/3 of the journey, and the remaining distance, which is the 2/3 of the journey, is in time T2. So T1 plus T2 should be equal to total time taken, which is equal to 2/3. So this is one equation that I have. T1 plus T2 equals to 2/3. Now if you look at it over here, x distance is covered at 5 km per hour in time T1. So I can write x is equal to, distance is equal to speed into time. So speed is 5 and time is T1. Similarly, I can write for the second half of the distance, 2x is equal to speed is 6 into time is T2. So from here I can find T1 and T2 in terms of x. So if I do that, the first equation over here becomes T1 is equal to x upon 5. And from here I get T2 is equal to 2x upon 6. 2x upon 6, which is equal to x by 3. So T1 is x by 5, T2 is x by 3. We can put that value of T1 and T2 here and find the value of x. Okay, we need to find the distance Sam travels. So we need to find 3x ultimately. The distance traveled is from here to here, which is 3x. So we'll plug T1 and T2 here to get x. So we'll do that over here. So we know that T1 plus T2 is equal to 2/3. T1 is what? X by 5. So this becomes x by 5. T2 is x by 3 is equal to 2/3. Okay, yeah. So here 15 is the LCM. This becomes 3x plus 5x, which is 8x. That is equal to 2/3. So this 3 goes and this is 5. This becomes, this 2 goes and this becomes 4. So 4x by 5 is equal to 1, or x is equal to 5 upon 4. So x comes out to be 5 by 4. The total distance is 3x that is travelled. So 3x will be equal to 3 into 5 by 4, which is equal to 15 by 4. So the total distance travelled is 15 by 4 kilometer. Okay. Find the distance Sam walks to reach. So Sam walks a distance of 15 by 4 kilometer to reach the school, and that's the right answer.